Are you struggling with writing your thesis? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of writing a thesis step by step. First, choose a topic that you are passionate about. Your thesis should be something that interests you and that you can see yourself dedicating time and effort to. Next, conduct thorough research on your chosen topic. Make sure to gather reliable sources and take detailed notes. This will provide you with a solid foundation for your thesis. Once you have gathered all your research, it's time to create an outline. Organize your thoughts and ideas in a structured manner to ensure a cohesive flow in your thesis. With your outline in hand, start writing your thesis. Remember to include an introduction, body paragraphs with supporting evidence, and a conclusion that summarizes your main points. After writing your first draft, revise and edit your thesis. Check for grammar and spelling errors, and make sure your arguments are clear and cohesive. Finally, don't forget to properly format your thesis according to the guidelines provided by your institution. This includes citing your sources correctly and creating a bibliography. And there you have it. You've successfully written your thesis. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.